Hello everybody. In this video, I will show you how to fix the publisher could not be verified warning in Windows 11 using a simple method. First, go to your keyboard and press the Windows key and the R key at the same time. This will open the Run dialog box. In the box, type gpedit.msc and then press Enter. This will open the local group policy editor. Once the editor is open, look at the left side panel. You need to follow this path carefully. Click on User Configuration, then open Administrative Templates. After that, click on Windows Components. Scroll down until you find Attachment Manager and click on it. Now move to the right side. You will see different settings. Find the option called Inclusion List for moderate risk file types and double-click on it. A new window will open. Select the option called Enabled. After selecting it, you will see an options box below. In that box, type .x. If you are trying to allow a different file type, you can type that extension instead. After entering the file extension, click Apply and then click OK to save the changes. Once you have done this, close the Group Policy Editor. It is important to restart your computer so the changes can take effect. When the PC restarts, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching.